Hello Honda fans, we have a cartoon vehicle of a car I've never heard of called the Edix 3x2. And I guess this car came out in like around 2004, the early 2000s. And why it's called a 3x2 is this interior seating arrangement. You'll see here, there's two rows of three seats, but the middle seats are kind of staggered backwards. So, yeah, it's interesting. I've never seen a car like that. So it looks like a standard Honda from the outside, but I think the interior seating makes a lot of sense. Alright, so anyways, we got this box. It came in. It's a used model. See here, it says 2005. So that's in the trash. Let's see how it looks compared to this. It looks like your standard Honda, kind of like a Fit or an Odyssey. Yeah, there we go. Side view. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's foreshortened a great deal. Maybe 30% or something like that. It's got your standard Choro-Q 5 spokes. I guess that's a good choice. It's this car has 5 spokes. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's see what else we have on this guy. So it says, welcome to Honda Edix. I wouldn't be surprised if this is like a dealership model. Maybe it was sold at Honda dealers. So the printing of the taillights is pretty nice. I like that there's at least 2 colors. The door handles are really nice. They're very thin. They're sticking out. You know, there's impressions of finger grab recesses there. Little styling curvature there. Very nice. The molding is tight. All the panel gaps are really tight on this thing. It's very gappy though. You know, the tires here. I'm going to do a wheel swap, I think. Silver painted headlights. Silver grille. Honda badge raised. It's looking good. Some black paint in this recess. And nothing here. Alright. Not a very dark smoked plastic. Actually quite clear. And then this metallic blue. Yeah, it's not bad. No complaints. This side, I don't see any fuel filler door, so looks identical really. And then a clear base. Yeah, it says 2005 there. Well, it says 05. Standard construction. So let's take this thing apart and get some wheel swapping going on here. Now the wheels I'm going to put on, I can't tell you where they're from. I just got a grab bag of wheels and I've repainted them gold. But they have an axle hole, so I'm going to assume they're from either a Majorette or a Hot Wheels or something like that. Just get this out. And I'm going to pop in one of these motors with the axle removed. Here's the construction. It's just a clear plastic painted really well. Seems a little strange that it has this piece though. To help keep the motor in place, I guess. Maybe if you actually play with these things and they hit a wall at high speed, it causes the motor to pop out of that tab. And so maybe people are complaining the motors, you know, weren't staying where they should be. Alright, so here are the wheels I'm talking about. Hold on. So, I don't know what they are. Please leave a comment if you know. My cat's trying to get in the room, but I'm not opening the door. Got some putty here. Some poster board putty. Or some sort of wall mounting putty. Get a camber. Alright, I think that's good enough. I don't have really a collection of minivans. I do have this TLV. It's an old Town Ace. And I have this other TLV of a High Ace, which is a full-size van, I believe. So width-wise, it feels like it could be around the same scale, but obviously lengthwise not so much, but height-wise also seems like it could fit in. Let's take these guys out. Now, I do have a collection of minivans though in Choro-Q form. I have a Honda step wagon here, and that's got a Choro-Q wheel swap. This Honda Odyssey here has some 3D printed spoon wheels, and then this Honda Element has some 3D printed black Rhino wheels. So, it's always interesting to learn about new cars. I like this Edix. I would own this Edix if it was sold where I live and if it didn't cost too much. I have no idea what these things cost or what kind of powertrain it even has, but interesting. Alright, well, thanks for checking this video out, and hopefully you'll see you the next time around. Bye.